أشرقت نفسي بنور من فؤادي.
Hello everyone! Today I want to make an omelette. Let's get straight to it. Here are some ingredients that I have prepared. Of them, 2 eggs, 3 cloves of onion, some cayenne pepper, seasoning on carrot, here I cut it in half, and a quarter of cabbage. Don't forget the seasoning. After that, seal all the ingredients. If you have continue to the next step, to be continue, that to eggs, continue, you can break two eggs like this, okay? Okay, before going to the kitchen, we beat the egg first before frying in my kitchen. And don't forget to add flavoring and beat the eggs. And now I'm going to fry eggs in the kitchen. Come on. Prepare teflon and pour a little oil into the teflon. Then turn on the stove on medium heat. Take a spatula. We have to wait for the oil to heat up. Next, just add the onion first. Fry onions until wilted. Then add cayenne pepper, carrots, and cabbage and fry until wilted. Then pour into the egg bowl and beat for a while. Pour some oil, then turn on the stove on medium heat. Give the oil to heat up. Fried eggs in the teflon. And don't forget to flip it. When it's cooked, turn off stove. Pour the eggs into a plate, and the omelette is ready to be served. Thank you. Bye.